Here's my Kohler elongated toilet seat. This is the second one I bought, and I'm gonna show you why I love it. All right, in your packaging, you got your seat cover, and then you got your hardware. Let's set it up right now. So I have a bidet. This does not come with the toilet seat cover, but this seat cover is compatible with a bidet. You take your nuts here, these pop right in, put your toilet cover on, line up your holes, and then you're gonna install your bolts. And the only tool you need for this thing is a Phillips head screwdriver. That's how easy it is to set up. All right, now we got the seat all screwed down and installed and straightened out. The real cool part here is how it comes off. You just unlock and this pulls right up. That way it's very easy to clean. And to put it back on, you just line it up, put it on, and click these back in. Flip your cap shut and you're good. And now I'm going to demonstrate the quiet close. This goes down nice and slow. If you want to speed it up, you can push it down as well. But this way, no one's slamming lids and waking people up, disturbing people. This also comes with some bumpers here, rubber bumpers on the bottom. And it's a nice, modern, efficient, nice, bright white look. Seems like it's going to be easy to clean. And like I said, this is the second one I bought, and I love it.